All right, guys, I just pulled up to the shop. You can see snow is still out. It's starting to melt away. Beamer's looking nice with the fog lights in. So yeah, let's get it. See what's going on. So today we have this 2004 Audi TT. Got our boy Nick greasing up the coilovers. Nice, beautiful set of KWs. We're going on. We already started the breakdown. Nick went ahead, took apart. What do you take apart?
The front coils, full assembly. I took out the rear shocks. I just got the rear springs out. Now I'm putting some anti-seize on these adjusters here to make sure that they don't seize up in our Canadian winters. As we all know how that is. They're going to be a one-on-one adjustment if I don't do this.
Nice and greased up right there, guys.
I'll make sure it hits all threads.
You guys can see this is the old suspension all rusted out. So it's gonna be a nice upgrade performance-wise and appearance. Getting some extra grease on these guys just to make sure, like Nick said, they never seize up.
Might be in Canada, it's got to get done.
It's not gonna trouble him.
Like chill for a day, pick up for that.
Yeah, fair.
The rear isn't even off the hoist.
No.
Oh wait, yeah, it is.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Just work for the next 2-3 days. We're gonna need
Yeah. He definitely could use a space in the rear though. Yeah, I think so. Well, no, just to like kind of like just for better fitment. Just for better fitment. He doesn't need it,
Well, we're
but
getting a 10 mil spacer for the front.
I'd say from 12 or 15.
So I want to see what a 10 mil. Actually, yeah, yo, you're right. It
Bro, on
is.
my Beamer, I had fucking 12 in the front, 15 in the rear.
Problem is it's all-wheel drive.
yeah.
It's got to be kind of even.
The rear does look nice though.
It's 12 all around. Actually, 10 in the front.
It's got to be even though, right?
Alright guys, so this is a couple days later. We let the TT sit a little bit. You guys can see the suspension is kind of sat down. We also went ahead and banged a few more panels out on the wrap. We're pretty much just waiting for gloss black to finish the entire top half of the car. We're gonna go around the back hatch and the pillar. The TT's looking pretty nice. Nice fitment all around. What a difference. This car is actually of a buddy of ours and we're doing a complete build for it. It was in a full collision, as you guys can see. It went to a body shop previously. We had these retrofit headlights put in on the front along with the rears with this nice chrome high gloss wrap. As you can see, these are the rear taillights. We're gonna be tinting them as well with a light smoke film. This vinyl is Tech Wrap. I believe it's called Tech Wrap True Blood or something along the lines. This is the second time we've used Tech Wrap. The first time we've just used an actual film. This isn't like a chrome, it's just one of their metallic high gloss films. But definitely a difficult wrap to use. Something new to us for sure. But you guys can see we made it work. We can't wait to see this thing finished. I'll probably post another video down the line once the car is completely finished, but I just wanted to make this video strictly just for the coilovers and just showing you guys, even in the front, it's pretty low. He has a lip that's gonna go on the front as well, so it will look pretty sharp.